Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion to plan YouTube videos. First, let's set up your workspace. Begin by creating a central database in Notion. This database will serve as the hub for all your video ideas, scripts, and production tasks. You can name it YouTube Video Planner or something similar. Add properties like status, topic, and publish date to organize your content effectively from day one. This foundational step ensures a streamlined workflow. Once your database is ready, it's time to fill it with ideas. Whenever inspiration strikes, simply add a new entry to your Notion database, marking its status as brainstorming. Then, for each promising idea, open its page to create a comprehensive outline. You can structure your video into segments, ensuring a logical flow. Finally, write your full script or detailed talking points directly within Notion, keeping everything organized in one accessible place. With your content planned, you can now track its production. Use a board view in Notion to visually move your videos through stages like scripting, filming, editing, and ready to publish. Each video's page can hold links to raw footage, edited versions, and even thumbnail designs. Assign specific deadlines for each task within the video's properties. This ensures you stay on schedule and maintain a consistent upload frequency, perhaps one video every 7 days. After your video goes live, update its status to published and paste the YouTube link into its Notion entry. This creates a complete record. Crucially, track your video's performance by adding properties for views, watch time, and audience retention. Reviewing these metrics within Notion helps you understand what resonates with your audience. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your content strategy, ensuring your next video is even better, perhaps reaching 10,000 views.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.